Hey there, and welcome to Coach GPT, your guide to mastering the world of artificial intelligence, one smart step at a time. Google just launched Gemini, an advanced AI that codes, writes, analyzes images, and understands video, all for free. Stick around to see live demos and how it stacks up against ChatGPT. Gemini is Google's most advanced AI model, and it's actually more capable than you might think. Think of it as Google's answer to ChatGPT, but with some unique superpowers. Google has been training this model on massive amounts of data, and the result is an AI that understands text, images, audio, and video. What makes Gemini special is that it's multimodal, meaning it can process different types of information at the same time. You can throw a screenshot, a document, and ask it questions about both, and it will understand the context perfectly. Google actually offers several versions of Gemini, each optimized for different tasks. There's Gemini 2.5 Pro, their most powerful model that handles complex tasks, detailed analysis, and can process incredibly long contexts. Then there's Gemini 2.5 Flash, which is faster and more efficient for everyday tasks. Gemini's writing is top class. Blog posts, emails, scripts, social posts, even code, just describe what you need. Adjust the tone, length, and style instantly. It can rewrite or summarize anything in seconds. With Gemini, you can instantly generate blog articles on any topic. Just type, write a blog on the latest trends in AI, and let Gemini do the rest. Your post comes ready with headlines, insights, and engaging content. No more writer's block, just rapid results for your website or portfolio. Gemini's vision capabilities are absolutely incredible. You can upload screenshots, photos, diagrams, charts, or any image, and Gemini will analyze it deeply. It can read text from images, extract data from spreadsheets, understand complex diagrams, and answer specific questions about the image. For developers like us, this is game-changing. You can screenshot your code, show Gemini your error, and get instant debugging help. Or upload a design mockup and have Gemini generate the HTML and CSS for it. Unlike ChatGPT in its basic form, Gemini has real-time internet search built in. This means you can ask it current events, latest news, today's stock prices, or real-time sports scores, and it will search Google's index to get you accurate, up-to-date information. You can upload PDFs, Word documents, spreadsheets, and other files, and Gemini will analyze them for you. Ask it to summarize a 50-page PDF in 2 minutes, extract key data from a spreadsheet, or find specific information in a document. It's like having a super smart assistant that reads everything instantly. Upload PDFs, Word docs, or spreadsheets. Gemini can summarize, extract, or search for keywords instantly, a huge time saver for reports, research, or competitor analysis. With Gemini, you can live share your screen or video from your phone or laptop. Instantly stream what's happening, and Gemini will analyze, answer questions, and guide you in real time, perfect for quick troubleshooting or feedback. Getting started is simple. Visit gemini.google.com, sign in, and start chatting for free. You can just log in with your Google account and start using the available features. If you're a student, Gemini is completely free for a year. Just sign up before December 9, 2025. You'll unlock unlimited chats and image uploads, quiz generation, and advanced features with full access to the 2.5 Pro model. Get personalized exam prep, deep research tools that save you hours, 2 terabytes of storage, and VO 3.1 for dynamic presentations. Plus, listen to your notes with audio overviews and get help with Gemini Live. Don't miss this all-in-one AI toolkit, made just for students. So, Gemini or ChatGPT? Gemini wins at web search, image understanding, and smooth Google integration. ChatGPT has broader knowledge and more third-party tools. Both are powerful and free, so try each and see what fits your workflow. Ready to level up your workflow? Try Gemini free today at gemini.google.com. Comment below, what's the first thing you'll use Gemini for? Smash like, subscribe for more, and follow for daily AI tips.